Hello, and welcome to this 5-minute positive meditation. I'll be guiding you through this uplifting and empowering session designed to help you cultivate positivity and inner strength. Whether you're new to meditation or an experienced practitioner, this quick practice is perfect for adding a dose of optimism to your day. Let's begin. First, find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this a couple of times, allowing your body to relax and your mind to become present. Now bring your awareness to your heart center, the area in the middle of your chest. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a warm, golden light emanating from your heart, filling your entire body with love and positivity. With each inhale, imagine this golden light expanding and growing brighter, radiating warmth and positive energy throughout your being. As you exhale, release any negative thoughts or emotions, allowing them to be replaced by this loving light. Now, let's infuse our minds with positive affirmations. Silently repeat these phrases to yourself, truly feeling and believing each word. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am strong and resilient. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. I radiate positivity and attract positive experiences. Continue to breathe deeply, feeling the positive energy within you grow stronger with each affirmation. Embrace this sense of inner power and confidence, knowing that you are capable of overcoming any challenge. As we come to the end of this meditation, take one more deep breath, filling your body with this positive energy. Slowly exhale, allowing this energy to expand outwards, sharing your positivity with the world. Gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings, wiggling your fingers and toes and taking a few more deep breaths. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and revitalized. Thank you for joining me in today's 5-minute positive meditation. Carry this renewed sense of optimism and inner strength with you throughout your day. Remember, you have the power to create positive change in your life. Have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you again soon.